Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people, and I mean say attack. So right now, my people, boy, I have a very sad report, my viewers and subscribers. Very sad because you don't know, so when you have a young man, my people, or anybody young people, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And boy, when them have a bright future ahead of them, my people, or when them aim to something great, and then journey just cut short, some people, boy, only just sees and he knows. Because from recently, my people, I have seen where we have a lot of athletes, and a joke thing, people, you know what I mean, in the Caribbean, because I talk about a mixture, Jamaica, Canadian, and you know what I mean, going around the place of people losing their life over in the United States of America pertaining to accident on the road. I've seen athletes run dead in a crash since recently, my people. I've seen footballers, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of people, you know what I mean, Caribbean people, young people who will lose them life on the road. I don't know what go on with people. But only thing I can say is Jaja sees and Jaja knows. My condolences to the family and friends for anybody, you know what I mean, who will lose them life on them road in the United States of America. Because, boy, it's a sad one. Nothing nice about it. You know what I mean? For their home and you see your family, your young, you know what I mean, Jaja. So now, my people, it's about the passing of a Jamaican athlete who named Nathan Reid, my people. And them same died in a car accident over there in the United States of America on Monday, July the 24th, 2023, my people. Very sad thing, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So I'm going to read this article of viewers and subscribers about this accident. You understand, so you can get a briefing and more, you know what I mean, understanding of what them say go on. But it's very sad one, because I've seen a lot of people pushing out and pouring out their condolences, you know what I mean, especially people who went to school with this young man in Jamaica, people who knew him right now, my people who are go to school with him, you know what I mean, over in the United States of America, and they must say, yo, them cannot believe, so this youth are really gone like that, just some people, you know what I mean, that they are today, then tomorrow you do what? Okay, listen me now. Jamaican athlete and University of Wyoming, UW, student Nathan Reid died in a car crash on a United States highway in Wyoming on Monday morning. According to reports, Reid's vehicle was traveling westbound on US Highway 1820, about 5 miles east of 1-25 near Orange Junction and south of Douglas, Wyoming. The exact time of the accident has not yet been determined. Road construction workers discovered Reid at the crash site early Monday morning. So you can't let me start Sunday and then find him Monday morning. You understand, my people? While there are limited details regarding the accident at this time, the incident appeared to be a single car accident, the university said. He will have been entering his senior season at UW in the fall of 2023. Reid competed in the discus and shot put events for the Cowboys. The former Cornwall Regional College athlete was majoring in mechanical engineering. Anytime you lose someone in the UW family, it hurts, but it is extremely sad when the individual is a UW student, said Tom Berman, director of athletics at the university in USA. Nathan had a bright future, and he was so well respected by his teammates and coaches. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family, teammates, and friends, he added. Reid earned honorable mention All-America honors at the conclusion of the 2021 and 2022 season when he placed 23rd in the discus at NCAA championships. January, athlete Ghana people. Another one, you know what I mean? As I say, my people, a lot of young athletes lost their life over in the USA, my people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, because I've seen so much news. Who dead in a car accident, who this, who that, man. Why? And I can't say no because I can't predict the future, my people. But you know what I can say? I can say yes, drive with care. You get me? I say because them, I've seen comments of people that say, boy, them drive crazy over there, the US and this and that, which, you know, say you have a lot of road that go over there and this and that, you know what I mean? Yeah, drive, sometimes you drive too slow. People come and start, blow you down, drive beside the car and push out middle finger gear, especially over the Florida and them part there, you know what I mean? So, a lot of things go on the road over there, my people, you know what I mean? If you don't know what you do, people will push you to your death, meaning, beep, and frighten them, make a drive out, just go kill yourself. So you have to, boy, me tell you, use that place. You know what I mean? That's what me do over there, people. Me not drive, honestly. I never go on a steering in the United States of America. Never. Not me. You understand me? I'm afraid I rode them. Another joke thing. Me say me a drive, I'm a driving all about a different country, but USA, boy, me not play with them road, them people. You know what I mean? So, I just want to send out my condolences to the family. You understand? Yeah, man, to the UW family, the Cornwall Regional College family in Jamaica, Mobile, who are mourning the loss of this young man. You know what I mean? His personal families and everybody, student, you know what I mean? Participant who take, you know what I mean? Participation in sports event with him. You know what I mean? I know all of them in coach, everybody who are mourning the loss of this young man. And may his soul rest in peace of people. You know what I mean? So, Nathan Reid, only just season he knows a brother. Sad, you know, young youth, you know, living a life yet you have a bright future ahead of your youth, you know what I mean? But boy, journey does cut short like that, you know. And that's why I always tell people, you know, over and over, me say the same thing. Sometimes there's a new link, you know, they're saying the same thing over and over, but I the truth, people. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. You understand? Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. So the time we get to make, you know what I mean, a joy with a family and abundance of people, do it. Don't wait till it's too late, please. Do it. You understand? So, big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know, see, more love, more blessings, and more respect. I'm just thank you all for the love, for the support, my people. Every like, every share, you know what I mean, want to do on the video, them, my people. And I just one team of people, one dream, and one scheme, and one attacking boss. And just stay safe out there. You understand? Stay safe, my people, because, yo, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. Big up on yourself. Peace out. Blessings.